Hi there guys, welcome to Dino's World. Today I give you my review of the massive mammoth monster machine, the AMG G63, powered by a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine that puts out nearly 600 horsepower and 850 Newton meters of earth-shattering torque, massive 22-inch wheels and AMG calipers. This thing is absolutely insane. Let's go underway. 0 to 100 in 4.4 seconds. So despite this being super heavy and hefty, this thing is an absolute animal or a wild beast because it has the AMG badging. And what makes this an absolute stellar proposition, we'll find out now. So this is set to manual now. So let's drop the anchor, put it into manual mode, off we go. Oh man, oh, this thing lifts off and pulls off a wheelie. That's how insane this machine is. And it doesn't shift up until you shift because we have set it to manual. See, oh man, this is scarily fast, scarily fast. Downshift, downshift. Oh wow, what a feeling. So it's wild in every aspect. So you got a hang of it. For now we'll turn off the manual mode. It's incredibly scary, so we'll just put it in drive mode and still it'll give you a bit of chills down your spine. The kind of acceleration it has on offer, that is why it has the cult following it is known for. Okay, off we go. Boy, goodness gracious. Wow. So you get a hang of what this thing means. Now a little bit of we'll just put it in reverse and say, let's see how the display is. So this is the display. It's a little tiny for a car that's costing more than 3 CR. This is the side angle view, this is the other view, then you have the front view. Okay, so now we're just going around, and this is the top bird's eye view. You can just turn around, get a glimpse of what's happening around you, the surrounding. You have sensors all around. Now this is something that we see even in a Creta these days, so that's not something unique, but it gets a high resolution camera thankfully, and that's something that you come expecting for a car in this price point. For now, let's get going. We'll put it back in drive mode, and we're still in Sport Plus. Turn on the fan speed. Oh, just look at this. It shows the kilowatt, the power being delivered. It's as if you're in a video game. That's how intense it is. Let's turn around here. We have an open section here. Boy, lovely, absolutely stunning kind of a feel and intense acceleration. This is what you get. So now this is in manual mode. We'll put it into drive mode for now. So for now, you can't get enough of this adrenaline packing driving experience as it throws you back in your seat. 850 Nm of insane torque. We have a nice cloud cover. It's overcast conditions, perfect driving conditions to enjoy a mammoth beast such as this. So it downshifts on its own if you don't downshift, and every time you take a turn, the seats kind of hug you in to make you feel more comfortable. The pure sound of V8 is so intoxicating. It's absolutely insane. Oh boy, oh boy. So nice rainy day here. Here you have carbon fiber texture on the handlebar right over there. A beautiful dash flowing freely. This is something that was introduced first in the E series, and then in the G63, the entire dash the speedo console being connected to the central console. Oh, there's no rain here. That's kind of the first half of the ramp is pouring rain, and the rest of the ramp there's no rain. It's kind of a miracle. And what a lovely road we are driving through. Beautiful weather, beautiful road, and a lovely engineering marvel for us to enjoy, thanks to Mercedes Mahavir. And I'm loving this. I'm loving every moment of this. Can't get enough of this. So what we're going to do, we're going to wrap things up. We've had the comfort is there, the rush is there, the suspension is decent enough to absorb all the undulations. It's not too stiff. The massive 22-inch wheels give you a lot of confidence while pushing it hard, and man, this kind of torque it has on offer. It pulls off a wheelie every time you step on the gas, and that's actually saying something. And this color is so captivating. It just captures your senses at the very first glance. So I'm in love with it, and the kind of prize money it demands, the kind of legacy it enjoys, I think it's worth every penny. And that's pretty much it for now. We're going to try and conclude this quick fire first impression of the AMG G63. Oh my god, we have sunlight right over here. What's happening? It's like we're going through different continents. First we have the Amazon jungle and the rain, and then we have a little bit of overcast condition, and then we have the sun shining brighter than ever at us. So anyway, for now we're going to end this quick fire overview and review of the AMG G63. If you like what you see and want to see more pure automobile content, stay tuned for more action right here at Dino's Vault. And I'll catch you guys next time. Until then, take care, God bless, and drive safe. Want to have the wheelie experience? There you go. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was insane. So we are in drive mode, and we're going to end this video right over here.